Our diverse and ever-evolving engineering and scientific channel once again invites and brings us together for a distinct and astonishing meeting. How could it be otherwise when it tackles a topic that is not only important but pivotal and indeed foundational to our current era, our civilization, and the entire world? It is, my dear friends, electricity and electrical engineering. Let us begin this immediate and renewing discussion. The core advantage of electricity and the origin story. The foremost feature. The most significant feature distinguishing electricity is its tremendous flexibility and transformative power. It is not merely energy, it is the lifeline of the modern age due to its capacity to efficiently convert into all other forms of energy we require: heat, light, motion, and sound, and its speed in being transmitted over vast distances. The beginning. When was it known? The first observations. The story began more than 2,600 years ago, around 600 BC, with the ancient Greeks, who noticed the phenomenon of static electricity when they rubbed a piece of amber, from which the term electricity, electron in Greek, is derived. The scientific foundation. This came in the 17th century, specifically with William Gilbert, 1600, who coined the term electrica to denote these phenomena. The story did not start directly with light, but with static electricity. However, illumination later became one of its most critical applications. Dynamic electricity. A decisive step was the invention of the battery, the voltaic pile, by Alessandro Volta in 1800, which enabled scientists to study moving electric current for the first time. The era of the Industrial Revolution and the pioneers of the 19th century. The 19th century witnessed the transformation of electricity from a laboratory phenomenon into a formidable industrial force, coinciding with the Second Industrial Revolution. Inventions and scientists. This period was marked by the emergence of brilliant names who established the foundation of electrical engineering. Michael Faraday invented the dynamo, electric generator, and the electric motor, converting motion into electricity and vice versa. James Clerk Maxwell developed the unified mathematical theory of electromagnetism, identifying light as a form of electromagnetic energy. Thomas Edison developed a practical system for direct current, DC, and built the first central power station and mass lighting network. Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse worked to develop and proliferate the alternating current, AC system, which was superior for long-distance transmission. What defined the period? The era was marked by the famous War of the Currents, which concluded with the triumph of the alternating current AC system as the preferred method for large-scale grid distribution, leading to the mass electrification of the world. The evolution of electricity in the 20th century and its classifications. The 20th century saw the consenting of infrastructure and the shift toward electronics. Forms and basic classifications of electricity. Electricity is primarily divided into two main types based on the flow of charges. Direct current, DC, charges flow in one steady direction. It is primarily used in electronics, portable devices, batteries, and solar panels. Alternating current, AC, the current periodically and regularly changes its direction. It is used in transmission and distribution grids, domestic and industrial, due to the ease of raising and lowering its voltage by transformers. Modern development, 20th century. The emergence of electronics, the transistor, and integrated circuits which use very low voltage DC to process data, and the establishment of massive power generation stations, thermal and nuclear.
The third millennium, sustainability and electrical engineering. In the 21st century, the focus has shifted to energy efficiency and technological integration. Status and applications. The modern age is characterized by a move towards renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, and the development of smart grids that allow for bidirectional control and the integration of distributed generation. Electrical engineering, specializations. It has expanded to include several key subspecialties. power electrical engineering, concerned with the generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity. Electronics engineering, concerned with design of circuits and precise devices. Communications engineering, concerned with transmitting information via electromagnetic waves. Control and computer engineering, concerned with control systems and programming. Leading countries. Production. China, the United States, and India, leading in total electricity production. Academic study, engineering. The United States, Germany, Switzerland, and other countries leading in research and technological development. Future and the way forward. Expected future features. The future of electricity is moving towards decentralization, cleanliness, and intelligence. Electrification of everything, relying on electricity as the main power source for transport and industry, like electric vehicles. Smart grids, more efficient networks capable of managing intermittent generation from renewable sources and storage. Energy storage, developing advanced battery technologies to solve the challenge of storing solar and wind energy. The message and the optimal path for deployment. Achieving this noble future requires international cooperation to unify standards and exchange expertise in clean energy, investment in R&D, especially in storage and transmission efficiency technologies, supportive policies to enable the green transition and facilitate technology transfer. After absorbing this positive energy from this distinctive, informative, and engaging video, do you find yourself close or far from this topic and specialization? How beneficial and helpful do you see it being for humanity, civilization, and progress? And to what extent can this energy and wealth be converted into clean, new, and renewable sources? Share your opinion and interaction with the information and discussion panels through serious dialogue with the channel and purposeful discussion. We extend our best regards and appreciation to you all.